Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video from Thamel Pigeon. So today I am going to show you all different cloths of black and white fantail crossbreeding pair. Uh, Actually this black male and this white female have already laid 4 clutches, and among them 3 have already separated from these parents, and here is again new clutch number 4, fourth clutch of this black and white fantail crossbreeding pair. And you can see here is one baby, and there was 2 baby hatched by this bird, but I have transferred one baby to this white pair because their one egg was gone waste and another egg was just baby died inside that egg. That's why I transferred to this bird, and they are feeding well to this small baby bird, so I won't disturb them. Now they are feeding actually. So today I am going to show you all different clutches, first clutch, second, third, as well as fourth clutch of this black and white fantail. Sorry for disturbance, that chickens are shouting very badly. So this black and white fantail first pair was amazing. As you can see, this beautiful chocolate color fantail. As you can see, this beautiful chocolate color pair. This pair is first clutch of black and white fantail baby. This was amazing and unbelievable moment for everyone, that black and white fantail baby was in chocolate color. And after this clutch, there was 2 eggs which was waste, and after that another pair of that black and white fantail pair was this color. As you can see, this is black color, but it is a little grizzle in color, as you can see in their feathers, and this is very beautiful color. As you can see that white stripes are slowly going away after molding, and this one is chocolate color. As you can see, this beautiful bird, one was chocolate color and little grizzle, and one was black color with little grizzle stripes. This was second clutch of black and white fantail pair. And after this I was thinking that this egg will not hatch from that egg, but this both baby was hatched from that egg. That's why this is very beautiful color. As you can see, one is full jet black in color, one is full jet black in color. As you can see, this full jet black in color one is, and one is grizzle in color. There is full many of tail feather is white in color, and in head also white stripes, in leg also as you can see this white stripes. So one is grizzle, you can call this grizzle, and another one, as you can see, this black jet black in color. So first clutch was chocolate color, second clutch was black and chocolate, third clutch was both are black and with white stripes in them. All these babies are from black and white fantail crossbreeding pair. I have already made series, you can check it out in my playlist, YouTube playlist. I have made their playlist about black fantail and white fantail crossbreeding pair experiment. So experiment is going well in my loft from this black and this lavender color also. They have also hatched babies. I will be updating about other fantails as well. So today I'm just going to show you about this, and to show you this fourth clutch baby. They are very small in size, that's why you cannot define the color of this baby bird. So after they will be adult, I will be updating about it also. So one is here, one is covering by this bird. As you can see, breeding progress is going very better in my loft of fantail birds. This before one young birds, young fantail birds are also growing well, and after molding they have already started to lay egg also. That chocolate color one have already laid one egg. As you can see, this beautiful white fluffy bird, and this one is male and this is female. This will be beautiful pair actually. And about this king pair, again this second baby also died inside egg. What's the problem of this pair? I don't know exactly about it, but this time I have just transferred other bird in this loft, fantail baby, to this pair, so that they will be not sad and again start to breed. What problem is there? I don't know exactly about it. So I will be updating about other fantails as well. As you can see, this beautiful pair. As you know, this pair I have transferred white fantail baby bird to this pair, because there was only one baby hatched by this, and I transferred this baby bird into this king, and this pair, this white pair baby, to that lavender color red tail, white tail, red fantail. So this Buzzy is also, I have already started breeding progress, and these babies have also started to come out from the loft and in self-feeding. So stay updated with Thamel Pigeon, everyone. Thank you everyone for love and support. You can check this beautiful bird of this crossbreeding pair. I will be updating about it also, and I have just fostered this beautiful bird. I will take out and show you. As you can see, this beautiful white-tail red fantail. This is amazingly wonderful bird. Has first time in my loft. You can check this out. I have just fostered this bird, and after that, pair of that pigeon is here. This is also fostered one. I just transferred this other fantail birds to this pigeons, breeder pigeons. As you can see, this is red bar fantail. So I hope you love this video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. This is white fantail. I will be updating new videos. Thank you everyone for watching, and love and support to Thamel Pigeon. I hope you are enjoying. I will be updating about more and more experiment in fantail pigeons. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out.